guys, thanks for tuning into the channel today. I thought I'd just show you this handlebar stabiliser support which I've just fitted to the bike, so hopefully this will make it a little bit more vibration free in the bars, although overall this bike's not bad in that area anyway, so that's just a little addition I've been waiting for to arrive. So like I said, it arrived today. Another thing, it just arrived, this seat, it's a little bit firmer than the other one, so I think it'll be something too that I'll sort of get used to. Don't mind the look of that seat, so looks the part. Actually it's a little bit more flatter than the other one, so it's really a direct fit. That's only about 2-minute job backs to fit that seat. So I haven't actually sat on the seat yet, so I'll see how it feels. Yeah, it doesn't feel too bad. I've been waiting a few weeks now for this, and here's the YSS front fork insert kit. Looks like there's a fair bit of work involved in fitting that, so you get your 2 springs and the damper business, like everything associated with fitting that kit. More importantly, you get an instruction manual with it. Hopefully that is, I don't know if it's for this particular bike or just a general one, so that'll be interesting to check that out. Doesn't appear to be marked what it is. But anyway, that's that kit. So it'll be fairly involved, I suppose, fitting that one. Now the big news is the YSS suspension in the back. So that's the black edition shocks. So these aren't bad looking shocks. They should be a fairly straightforward fit. And it comes with naturally the instructions, and looks like a couple of adjusters where you can get in to adjust it, like up here would be one point. Looks like another key point there down the bottom or in the collar for adjustment. So they are fully adjustable in all areas. Whether I actually need it on a bike like this, I don't know, but we'll soon find out later on when I give it a workout. They're not a very heavy shock either, pretty light when you consider it. So we will see how they go. Going by a look at where this fuel canister fits, or the 5 litre container, I'm not exactly sure whether or not that'll fit in that area or not, that shock, but the little piggyback area here may be a problem and hit the container, so it's hard to say. Time will tell there when I get into it. But anyway, that's what I said, that's what arrived today. So we've got the rear shocks, the front inserts. Now I don't say, as far as inserts here go up the front, I don't know, you may be able to get out of that by just putting heavier weight oil, so it's hard to say if that's a good idea or not. But they're here now, and it's just a matter of getting around to see what happens and whether or not they'll be fitted and how long it'll take to do it. Back ones should be the easy ones to go on first, the front ones I'm not sure. So that's just a bit of a pre-look, and if you're interested in tuning into the channel, please do, and subscribe, and I'll catch up with you later.